guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download translated images using Google Translate. So if you have any image that you want to translate, guys, the text on that image, you can quickly upload this to Google Translate, get the translation, and download that image with ease. So head over to Google Translate, right? You can easily find Google Translate by going to google.com. Of course, you want to sign into your Google account, click the apps, and then find the Translate. Or you can easily search on Google. So if you don't want to go to that option, you then just go ahead and open up your browser and type in Google Translate. Once you hit search, you will be able to get the detection here. You don't want to use this option. You want to head over to the Google Translate. So look within the search result and you'll find Translate, Google Translate. You click here and you'll be taken over to the Google Translate full website. Now go ahead now, guys, and just choose the image section, click on browse or drag and drop the image that you want to translate, and I'm going to go ahead and find something. So let's choose, for example, this image here, and go ahead and upload the image. Once you go ahead and upload the image, you want to ensure that you choose the language that you want to translate to. So let's say I want to translate to Chinese. I can select the Chinese here and I can easily go ahead and download this. You can also go ahead and click the drop down to find other languages. So if you go ahead and scroll down, you want to find a different language. I don't know, that could be Spanish. I can click Spanish and you will see that it translated for me as well. Now, once it translates, in order to download the image, on the upper right hand side, you see it says download translation. Click on download and that's going to download the image for you. As you can see, download the image. I can open up my file explorer here and you can see that I get the downloaded version of that image. And that's it. That's how to download translated images from Google Translate, guys. Very easy and very simple.